Hi, Jackie and Taman. As dozens of new migrants made it to Union Station this afternoon, the city is connecting them with basic needs like food and shelter. And tonight, Mayor Lori Lightfoot is asking anyone who is willing to help to lend a hand and step up. For the second time in less than a week, migrants from Texas are getting settled in Chicago. Laura Mendoza, an immigration organizer at the Resurrection Project, was one of the people who greeted new migrants Sunday afternoon.
A lot of them are tired. They're just looking for a place to sleep. They're hungry. They are thankful that they're going to have a place to sleep that's not like the soil that they've been sleeping on.
On Wednesday, a group of 75 migrants made it to Chicago from Texas. Mayor Lori Lightfoot says this latest group of 50 people is mostly families.
We're working with them now to understand what their countries of origin are, whether or not they have any relatives or contacts here in the area.
The mayor says she and her staff have not heard from anyone in an official capacity from Texas regarding important details like when migrants will arrive and how many the city should prepare for.
My frustration comes from the actions of the governor of Texas. There could be a level of coordination and cooperation, but he chooses to do none of those things and instead tries to send human beings, not cargo, not freight, but human beings across the country to an uncertain destination.
Due to the lack of communication, Mayor Lightfoot says she's not sure how many more migrants to expect in the weeks to come, but says nonprofits and the state and county have stepped in greatly. She says she's asking for the federal government and anyone willing to lend a hand to do the same.
We're asking all people of goodwill to step up and help support us.
They're really just coming for an opportunity. They want to be able to work. They want to be able to take care of their families.
If you are interested in learning how you can help, you can click on this story on our website at WGNTV.com. Also, Mendoza says that volunteers, particularly those who can help interpret, are greatly needed, and resources like gift cards, new clothing and shoes and diapers are also in high demand. We also reached out to the governor of Texas, Greg Abbott, for a comment, but have yet to hear back. Reporting live tonight from Union Station, I'm Jewel Hillary, WGN News.